Hey everyone, this is Abhad from InnoRative. Welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're checking out the Juxxe Jamsports X1 wireless earbuds. Has always been transparent with you guys. Juxxe did send this to us for a review. As always, we're going to be unbiased here. Please watch the entire video for the pros and cons. You can buy these from the link given in the description below. Let's unbox these first and move on to the review.
Going over the physical features, first these things are small and discreet. For truly wireless earphones is pretty cool. Well, if you were to compare this as a reference, the Bino 2 8 Sandy Samsung Icon X 2018 edition looks pretty similar in size. Now these are all plastic, they are not made of metal, they have this titanium point finish which I think looks really good here. But overall the finish is very much quality made, well crafted. The buns are very clicky, very tactile here, and also very easy to reach. Now these are IP65 rated, which means that it can take light water jet spray. With my little spray bottle, we didn't spray the crap on this thing and rinse them, and they are still working perfectly fine. Now as for the comfort, these feel absolutely great. They have 3 ear tips included in the retail package, where it's perfectly fine during running, walking, of course working here at office. They have never fallen out of my ears. I can wear this all day. Going back to the ear tips, they provide excellent passive noise isolation. You put these on and it blocks up a lot of your environment. Forget about active noise cancellation. Also, there's a very minimal sound leaking at 50 to 60% in value, which was more comfortable casual listening. I even bumped this up about 80% value, which is starting out to get loud for us. Now jumping into the Bluetooth quality, this is one of the very few truly wireless earbuds that finally has Bluetooth 5.0, which is absolutely great for battery life, signal reception. Now the test I'm posting here myself, that I get 88 linear feet before the signals start to crackle from now. That is excellent. If you are in the gym, if you are walking throughout your house, it's gonna be no problem whatsoever. Now jumping into the battery life, these do claim up to 5 hours with the battery. That's pretty much on average of truly wireless earbuds. It does come with the charging case. You basically stick your earphones in here when you are not using them. You store them away, which is fabulous, which most truly renowned earphones do. Again, you get 5 hours on the earphones themselves. We have tested this at 50% volume and actually got 6 hours and 45 minutes from full to dead. Next up, I want to talk about the Speakerphone phone call performance and quality. It does pick up your voice crystal clear, very audible. It's one of the best, if not the best, in the microphone quality. Also, it has voice control, so you can talk to Siri anytime. Talking about sound quality, these do get loud and I had to turn it up to 80%. For the average consumer, for the most of the people, 80% is not better at all. This will be loud for some people who might listen to it a little bit louder. Some people may be a little bit lower. Overall sound quality is good, but I would say for my ears taste, bass is bit on the low side, which is a deal breaker for me. However, these sound so good that you don't want to leave them without using them as your daily driver. Touch control is really good feature which makes these earphones awesome. Like if you wanna pause a song, you can just single tap on the right earphone and song will pause, and doing the same will play the song, and keeping the finger on it for the 5 seconds increases the volume, and doing the same on the left will decrease the volume. So that's it for the review. Please be sure to comment down below, let me know what you guys think. If you guys don't have an opinion on this, please throw down some fire emojis to help support my work. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to follow me on Instagram. You guys take care. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.